everyone. I am Mitanshi Garg from Birla Institute of Management Technology. Today, I need to draw your attention how inventory valuation is done in retail industry. In retail, basically 97% of the sector is unorganized, whereas 3% of the sector is organized. Retailing can be organized or unorganized. In both the cases, inventory valuation need to be done. For example, in the Kiryana store also we do, and either in the hypermarket or supermarket also.
Inventory is a tangible property. Inventory valuation can be done in three methods. First, first in, first out. Second, last in, first out. Third, average cost. In first case, that is first in, first out, it is abbreviated as FIFO. In this case, the first material comes is first taken out. So, in this case, the batch comes first is the first considered, and the batch comes next will be considered next to the first. In this case, we have higher profits and higher tax liabilities. So, in this case, we have to record in such particular way that the inventory valuation amount used in this case type of merchandising is the amount taken for the purchase. So, second inventory valuation method is last in, first out. In that particular method, what we have, the latest coming inventory is considered first rather than the first coming inventory, which is reverse of the FIFO concept. In this concept, the inventory coming for the last is to be considered first. So the purchase amount or the recording amount is also considered for that particular latest amount of the stock. And the last method, that is the third method, is the average cost. In this particular method, what we do the average of the similar merchandising amount. Either it comes for the first time, for the second time, or for the last time. We have to just average. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, subscribe.